Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get Pokemon Go on 1.5.0. So what you want to do is type in M.guopan.cn /Pokemon.
How much is that?
And then you click the green, click the middle, and then click install. Give it a minute. See, in the thing, it don't look hacked, but trust me, it will be hacked. As you can see, it's downloading right there. With this, you can teleport and do a bunch of other things. It spawned you in San Francisco. There is a bunch of Pokestops. I have gotten like 30. I've caught a Pikachu, a bunch of other Pokemons that's not at the top of my head. But if you haven't seen my how to record, watch that video. We'll appreciate it a lot if you guys can, and hope it helps you guys. And I'm gonna try uploading a lot more because I haven't been uploading a lot, and I'm just trying to find things you guys want to see. If you want to see different things, put it in the comments or shout out. I will shout out your channel. But if you're a YouTuber and a young channel, put it in the comments and I will subscribe and shout you out. And yeah, so watch my how to record on iOS. You guys will be able to record because it's a real good method. I'm using it right now, and as you can see, the quality is good. Everything is good. But if you haven't seen my last video, you should look at it. I'll show you them right now once YouTube loads. While we're waiting, now click. Now, this is my videos. See, that video I put 37 minutes ago and done has 1 view. Hack Pokemon Go, which is the other one, but I'm making a new one because this one will work for all iOS's, iPhones, iPads, everything. You could drop a like on each of these videos. Will be helpful. I would thank you guys a lot. And watch my shout out to Soldier of War. He is a good guy. So watch him. And let's see if our Hack Pokemon Go is about done. This does take a while. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. And like this video. And if you have any troubles, put it in the comments. I will help you. Bye.